Need to control high hydraulic flow and pressure without using a massive solenoid? That's where a pilot-operated directional solenoid valve comes in. With a direct-acting valve, the solenoid has to move the main spool directly. As pressure and flow increase, that requires much more force. A pilot-operated valve solves this with a two-stage system. A small solenoid controls a pilot valve, and hydraulic pressure does the heavy lifting to move the larger main spool. The solenoid only needs to control a small amount of pilot flow. The system's hydraulic pressure then creates the force needed to shift the larger spool. So what are the benefits? Higher flow capacity, lower electrical power consumption, reliable high-pressure operation, and fast response. For example, HFD Hydraulics VE/B/RO series is designed for single-acting applications such as dump trucks, tippers, and lift gates. And with an emergency manual override, the valve can still be operated if electrical power is unavailable, an important feature for applications like dump trucks. Choosing the right valve starts with understanding your pressure, flow, and application. Read the full guide from HFD Hydraulic to learn more.